So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can shave for cheap. These 3 items you can get at Dollar Tree, less than $4. So first thing first, I'm going to be shaving around my face. I'm not going to be shaving off my goatee. My goatee is going to stay. And I'm going to show you guys how I shave. So let's get straight into it. So you want to wet the rag. You don't want to use hot water. You don't want to use cold water. You want to make sure that you use warm water. And you're going to go ahead and apply it to the areas that you want to shave. As you can see, I'm getting around the neck. I'm getting around all the areas that I want to soften up. And as you can see, my face right here soften up. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the shaving cream to my face. You're going to see me put on my left cheek, my right cheek, see me put it on my little mustache, and just make sure you get all the areas that you want shaved. The reason why you want to cover all areas that you want shaved is because if you try to shave it without the cream on it, you are going to cut yourself and it's not going to be a pretty sight. So as you can see, I just apply everything all over. So once you're all good, you're going to go ahead and check yourself out. Now let's get to the shaving. As you can see right here, I shave in the same area twice. So you want to just go down, make sure you cut that area, and then you're going to go back up and cut it again. But go slow, don't go fast. I'm a little bit of a pro at this, so that's why you see me going a little bit fast in this video. But if it's your first time shaving, take it real slow. So as you can see, I go to the other cheek, I do the same thing. I cut that area and I do it a second time. And the reason why I'm doing this is just so I have a lineup for my goatee, because like I said, I'm not cutting my goatee. So I cut that side and right here, and then I cut this side just so I make sure I don't accidentally cut my goatee. Now I cut underneath, as you can see. Just go real slow. That is a sensitive area where I'm cutting. If you cut real fast or cut too hard, you will cut yourself and it's not going to be a good feeling. Now, I know some of you are wondering, like, why am I making this video? And the reason why I'm making this video is because some parents did not teach their children how to shave. Some people don't have moms or have dads. And I just want to put that out there. Also, for my homeless videos, I told you guys, if you shave and you go on a job interview, they are most likely going to hire you if you look well groomed. Also, when you are shaving, make sure that you rinse off your razor. Make sure you're rinsing it off with cold water, not hot water. The reason why you don't want to put hot water is because it makes the blade very hot and it can go ahead and burn you and cut you much faster. So that's just another tip. As you can see, I'm shaving right here. I go ahead and I wash it off, and then I go to the next part and I go ahead and cut that part. So just make sure that you are washing off the blade, because you don't want to have a lot of shaving cream on the blade at all times. You want to make sure that you have a fresh new blade when you're going to go cut. So as you can see right here, I'm just finishing up cutting around the areas that I missed. And it takes me roughly around 7 to 10 minutes to go ahead and get a full shave. And I do 2 phases. So right now, this is just phase 1, where I'll go ahead and just cut the rough part. It's like a rough draft. And then the second part is when I finalize it and I actually just cut everything and make sure that I am well groomed. So those are basically all the steps that you have to do. You're just going to go ahead and wet your face up, make sure it gets soft. And then you're going to put the cream on there, and then you're going to shave it. And then you're going to rinse your face off, put the cream again, and then shave it a second time, and then you should be all good to go. And I just want to apologize to you guys real quick. I know I haven't really been uploading. I upload like 1 video a month, and I'm very sorry for that. It's just that real life is very busy in a good way. I'm meeting a lot of people, and I'm just taking real life a little bit more seriously than YouTube, and I'm trying to get back into YouTube. I'm trying to get more motivated. I do want to do more homeless videos, more hygiene videos, and more interviews in the future. I just want to give a big shout out to every single body in this community. And the month that I haven't uploaded, I gained about 40 subscribers. I gained about 150 watch hours and well over 2,000 views. So I just want to say thank you to everyone for sticking by me. I really, really do appreciate the love and the support. A lot of you are silent supporters, and I appreciate you. I see every comment. I see the likes, the shares. I see what you have done for me, and I don't take that for granted at all. And as you can see in the background, I'm just finishing up what I did. So this is the second step. You just see me shaving and just making sure that I got everything done. And just like I said, when you do shave, be very careful. And yes, you can shave under $4. You go ahead and get the shaver, you go ahead and get a rag, and then you go ahead and get the shaving cream, and you'll be able to shave and look very good. You can keep your goatee or you can cut off your goatee, but I want to keep my goatee because I think I look pretty good. So that's all I really got to say for this video. I love every single one of you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and may you have a great day, a great week, a great month. And peace out, everybody.